Jericho, my loves, my fiancé, and now my future husband. My heart is so full. It feels so surreal that we're now here, celebrating one of our dreams together. I will always be thanking God for letting us get back together after all those hurdles that we've been through. God says wait, and when the time is right, He will make it happen. And then He gave me the better version of you.
We know how quickly it's all over. I save the
Mahal ko. Maikli pa man ang ating pagsasama. Nagmahalan tayo ng sobra-sobra. Pinakita mo ang daan sa madilim kong landas. Binago mo ako para maging mabuting tao. Hindi ka sumuko sa sa isang katulad ko. Ngayon, ito ang ipapangako ko sa Diyos, sa iyo, at sa mga taong naririto. Ipapangalo kita. Una ang Diyos at ikaw ang pangalawa. Mamahalin kita na higit pa sa sarili ko. Pag-ibig ko'y iyo, ngayon at kailanman.
save the very best for I'll save the very best for I'll save the very best.
Thank you po, ma.
Naiyakan.
I love you.
I love you, love.
My love, thank you for doing every effort to be the best man for me. You've gone extra mile to be a better version of yourself. I've seen how you learn from your mistakes and improve yourselves as it is one of your way to express your love to me. I thank you for being patient to me, even at my tinotoyo days.
Isn't it just like heaven when you walk into the room? There's not a thing that's hidden. Every eye is on you. Can't get enough.
Sige, buksan niyo lang. Sige, sirahan niyo lang.
Isn't it just like heaven?
Your goodness and kindness to me had also inspires me to be a better version of myself for you. You had always made me feel peace as you always calms my storm. To everything that we've been through, we only have each other. No one knows exactly where we've been through, and yet, look at us. We're still here, and we've made it.
I can't get enough of you.
Mahal ko. I love you. Aishiteru. Ti amo. Buhay ni. Saranghae. Kulang mga salita at wika para may parating ko ang aking nararamdaman pag-ibig para sa iyo. Sana makatuklas pa ako kung paano ko pa ipapadama ang aking pagmamahal para sa iyo.
Ano yan? Sino? Si Gru? Mahal ko, sorry hindi umabot yung delivery nung in-order kong camera. Kaya ito muna, ha? Nakalagay, ha? Sana magustuhan mo, i-capture mo yung pagkapugian ko sa camera keto. Ha? Ulit! Turuan mo rin ako para makakuha din ako ng kagandahan mo. Wait lang, kinikilig ako.
Hi Melag, binigay ko tong regalong to sa'yo kasi alam kong deserve mo ito. Gusto kong maramdaman mo na sobrang mahalaga sa akin na maging masaya ka. Ito din ang simbolo na hindi ako kontra sa pagiging gamer mo. Gamitin mo ito ng wasto at sa sapat na oras lamang. I love you, Jeric, my favorite duo.
You're such a perfect father. I worship you forever. Holy, you are holy. I lay down any treasure for us to be together. Come a little closer, stay a little longer. I can't get enough of you. Come a little closer, stay a little longer. I can't get enough of you.
My love, don't worry if our relationship won't be perfect. There will always be fights, misunderstandings, and other tests to strengthen our relationship. But I promise that I will always be here for you, as I always do. We will both surpass all the hardship, stood strong, and at the end of the day, we were both happy.
I can't get enough. I can't get enough. I can't get enough. I can't get enough of you. I can't get enough of you. I can't get enough of you. I can't get enough.
I promise to be your support, your motivator, and your guide. As I made your heart full, I will also make your tummy happy. I will always cook your favorite dish and keep you healthy. I will be your teammate, partner, and your favorite duo forever. But most of all, I will always love you, even at your worst, and even at your lowest, my love. With the blessings of God, I will always love you, Jeric, and no power on earth can change it. I love you.
We gon' show